Konnichiwa, Mina. This is the Anime Guy, and welcome to this episode of Anime Guy Asks, where I ask you a anime-related question. I'll give you my answer, you give me yours. Comments and video responses are welcome. Today's question is, which American cartoon would you like to be remade into an anime? As for me, I would like my favorite American cartoon to be made into an anime, and that is Megas XLR. I think if Megas XLR had to be remade into an anime, it would be so awesome because the show was hilarious, the characters were awesome, and there were giant robots. And I wouldn't mind listening to that theme song again. We dig giant robots. I dig giant robots. Chicks dig giant robots. Nice. And if they had to make an anime version, it would be nice if they went deeper into the story. Like if we had to learn how the Earth came under attack by the Glorft, and it would be interesting if maybe Coop, Kiva and Jamie actually somehow managed to go back to the future, and it was up to Coop to save the future because Kiva is stuck in their time and she must get used to the way things are there. But just imagine if the rest of the guys went to her time and they had to adapt to all this new technology and a different way of doing things and all that. I think it would be very interesting. And if they could choose, would they stay in the future or go back to the past? Thank you for watching, and until next time.